Installing Xoops in the AIT SMT6 control panel. In the Web Account Manager, go ahead and select the account that you want to install Xoops on. Once the website management tool is loaded, go ahead and select Application. In the Applications panel, go ahead and select Xoops from the installation options available. In the Application Management screen, go ahead and select the domain that you want to install Xoops on. At this time, if you'd like to give your website a name, go ahead and fill that out in the appropriate field. If you want to install Xoops into a specific directory, go ahead and fill that out in the directory field. Please provide a valid email account for the admin email account field. Create a secure username and password and fill that out in the appropriate fields. Next, install Xoops. Confirm that the information that you've put in is correct before moving on to the Confirm and Install Xoops button. At this time, you'll see a checklist screen appear that will complete the Xoops installation. Once Xoops has finished installing, you can click the Website button to preview your install of Xoops. Your installation is complete and now ready to be customized. For more information, visit www.ait.com.